Let's be honest for a second. Most gun owners don't actually have a defense plan. They have a collection, a safe full of range toys, random calibers from the last ammo shortage, and at least one tactical impulse buy from a 2 a.m. YouTube binge. Sound familiar? Okay, yeah, me too. But here's the real question. If you wiped the slate clean, no collection, no safe queens, no ego purchases, and you could only own 3 guns in 2026, what actually makes sense for real life? Not fantasy scenarios, not internet clout, not gear built to impress strangers. Just practical tools for parking lots, home defense, rural property, storm seasons, supply disruptions, or whatever random Tuesday throws at you. So let's build that 3-gun setup. But before we pick anything, we need standards. Every gun has to meet 5 requirements. It has to run reliably, it has to use ammunition you can actually find, it has to serve more than one role, it has to be usable under stress by a normal person, and it has to make sense for realistic events, not movie plots. If it fails one of those, it's out. Now, let's start with the first one. If something happens fast and close, this is what you have. No time to gear up, no time to think, just immediate response. A compact 9mm pistol still makes the most sense. Think Glock 19, SIG P320 Compact, M&P 2.0 Compact. Reliable, proven, supported everywhere. Now, here's where people get emotional. For most shooters, 9mm is the practical choice. Modern defensive loads perform extremely well. Recoil is manageable. Follow-up shots are faster. Capacity is higher. Training is more affordable. You don't need to win caliber debates. You need to put accurate rounds where they matter. This pistol covers a lot of roles. Everyday carry, nightstand, vehicle, quick access at home. Small enough to carry consistently, large enough to shoot well. Here's mistake number 1. People buy the biggest handgun they can brag about, and then never carry it. A tool that stays in the safe doesn't protect you. Capability beats cool. And if your defensive pistol isn't something you shoot regularly, it's not defensive. It's decorative. Now, let's talk about distance, because distance changes everything. A pistol is reactive, and most people misunderstand what that actually means, what the pistol is actually for. A defensive pistol is not your go hunt bad boys tool. It's your reaction tool. It's what you have when you're walking to your car, you're at a gas station, you're inside a store. You don't have time to stage a long gun. It solves close, fast, unexpected problems. It is not a substitute for positioning. It is not a confidence amplifier. It is not a magic equalizer. It buys time to disengage. And if you're honest with yourself, this is the gun most likely to actually be on you. So train accordingly, draw under pressure, one-handed manipulation, low light, shooting after movement. If you only shoot slow groups at 7 yards once a month, you're not training realistically. A rifle gives you control. A practical, widely supported rifle platform still makes the most sense here. An AR pattern rifle in 5.56 NATO or 223 remains one of the most versatile options available. Why? Manageable recoil, accuracy, parts availability, common ammunition, adaptability. It's approachable for newer shooters and scalable for experienced ones. It handles realistic property distances comfortably, it's easy to maintain, it's easy to configure without overcomplicating it. And here's the part some people don't like hearing. If you can't consistently make solid hits at 100 yards with your rifle, it's not the rifle, it's your reps. The platform isn't magic. Skill matters more than accessories. A basic rifle with consistent training will outperform a heavily modified build that rarely leaves the safe. And this is where the rifle changes the equation. What the rifle changes? A rifle changes distance. Distance changes control. With a rifle, you can hold angles. You can control space. You can identify before you engage. you can operate more precisely. But here's the part people skip. You must know your backstop. Rifle rounds carry energy. They travel, they penetrate. If you don't understand what's beyond your target, you're adding liability. Also, if you've never trained transitions, malfunction clears, or shooting from imperfect positions, your rifle is a range tool, not a defensive tool. Now for the third slot. This is where debates start. You could argue for a lever action. You could argue for a pistol caliber carbine. You could argue for a bolt gun. But if the goal is maximum flexibility from one platform, a pump 12-gauge shotgun still covers an enormous range of roles. Simple pump designs have been around for decades for a reason. They're durable, they're straightforward, they work. And the real advantage is load variety. Different loads allow the same platform to serve multiple purposes depending on context. One firearm, multiple roles. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, but it's practical. But let's clear up some myths about the shotgun. The truth about the shotgun. A shotgun is not a magic broomstick. It still requires aiming, it still requires recoil management, it still requires reload discipline. Yes, it's powerful. Yes, it's flexible, but it is not forgiving if you neglect practice. And here's the reality. Under stress, short-stroking a pump shotgun is common. If you don't practice cycling it hard and consistently, you create your own malfunction. Also, ammo management matters more with a shotgun than almost any platform. You don't get 30 rounds, you get limited capacity. So every shot matters. And if your third gun only excels in perfect range conditions, you built a hobby, not a system. What a system actually means. A 3-gun setup only works if it functions as a system, not 3 random purchases, not 3 separate range toys. A system means each platform supports the others. Your pistol handles immediate response, your rifle controls distance and space, your shotgun covers flexible roles and specialized use. But it also means logistics matter. Standardize your ammunition. Standardize your magazines where possible. Know where each platform is staged. Know who in your household can operate what. Rotate defensive ammunition yearly. Maintain them on schedule, not when they malfunction. And most importantly, train across platforms. Can you transition from rifle to pistol smoothly? Can you move from staged long gun to handheld pistol without confusion? If you mix different manual of arms platforms with no repetition, you introduce hesitation. And hesitation under stress costs time. A system reduces decision friction. When everything works together, gear, training, storage, and logistics, you're not just armed, you're organized. And organized capability beats scattered capability every time. Now, let's simplify something else. Ammunition. Stop chasing uncommon calibers. Stick to what's common and sustainable. 9mm, 5.56, 12 gauge. Buy when prices make sense. Train with what you store. Store what you train with. If you can't afford to practice with it, it shouldn't anchor your defensive plan. Preparedness isn't about rarity. It's about sustainability. Now, let's keep the accessories simple. You don't need a wall of attachments. For a pistol, you need a quality holster, a weapon light, and at least one spare magazine. For a rifle, a durable optic, a sling, and backup iron sights. For a shotgun, a light and a simple shell carrier. That's it. If your rifle looks like a science project, you may be upgrading aesthetics instead of ability. And now here's the part most people avoid. You could own this exact 3-gun setup and still be completely unprepared. Because gear doesn't think. Gear doesn't make decisions. Gear doesn't manage stress. You do. 3 mistakes people make with this setup. 1. They don't train transitions between pistol and rifle. 2. They buy different manual of arms platforms and create confusion. 3. They neglect ammo rotation and maintenance. Training matters more than equipment. Awareness matters more than internet arguments. Mindset matters more than attachments. Many people spend thousands upgrading gear instead of upgrading skill. That's the real mistake. Some of the most capable shooters you'll ever meet run simple setups because mastery scales. Complexity complicates. Here's the reality. If your 3 guns cost more than your vehicle, but you don't train consistently, you're not building capability, you're building a collection. There's nothing wrong with collecting, just don't confuse it with preparedness. If you want to be capable, not just armed, keep it simple, keep it reliable, keep it trainable, keep it affordable enough to practice. Master 3 platforms. Don't juggle 12. Now, I want your take. If you could only keep 3 guns in 2026, what are they? Would you replace the shotgun with something else? Would you change the rifle platform? Would you standardize everything to 1 caliber? Drop it in the comments. The best arguments get pinned. If this made you rethink your setup, hit like. If you're into practical, no-hype firearm content focused on real capability, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay sharp, and as always, stay practical.